Hi friends, today we are going to see the lesson from Social Science, 9th Standard NCERT or CBSE Social Science. So the first chapter what we are going to see in that Social Science chapter is India size and location. Okay, we are going to see the India size and location. So India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The main land extends between 8.4 degree north and 37.6 degree north and longitude 68.7 degree east and 97.25 east. So here when they say 8.4 degree north, see here 8.4 degree north, from here it extends from 8.4 degree north to 37 point, see here this is 8.4, from 0 to 15, from 0 to 15 you can just put it here as 8.4, okay, 8.4 in the north, okay, and 37.6 here you can just, the point between 30 and 45 you can just when you put a line it will come as 37.6. Similarly, this is latitude, longitude, these are the longitude lines, okay. Latitude lines extends from left to right and longitudes from top to bottom. So longitude lines from 68, see here 60, here 90, so in between nearly 75, okay. So here it extends between 68.7 to 97.25, okay. Now, the Tropic of Cancer divides the country into two parts. Remember, the Tropic of Cancer, remember this point, 23.30 north. This divides the country into north. Okay. Now we will see the landmass of India has an area. India has landmass of 3.28 million square kilometers. When we say million, it means 10 lakhs. 1 million is 10 lakhs. Okay. So when you say 3.28 into 10 lakh square kilometers. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. From figure 1.2, it is clear that India is the 7th largest country in the world. Okay, so they have given a chart here. So they have given the land area. So in the land, by land area, Russia has the highest land area in terms of square kilometers. Okay, when you say square kilometers, okay, this is square. Okay, this is square kilometer. 5 square kilometer means 5 here, 5 here. Okay, 5 square kilometers. So this is what they mean by area in square kilometers. India has a land boundary of 15,200 kilometers and the total length of the coastline of the mainland includes Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep is 7516 kilometers. So it has a land boundary. See here, this is 15,200 is the land boundary and the coastal boundary is 7516. When they say land boundary, here this is the land boundary. All this is the land boundary. When they say coastal boundary, this is the coastal boundary. Okay. Now, India is bounded by young-fold mountains in the northwest, north and northeast. South of about 22 degree north latitude, it begins to taper and extends towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, the Arabian Sea on the west and Bay of Bengal in the east. So what they are saying is, in the northern side it is full of mountains, and then in the southern side it is divided into two oceans. Okay, on the west side we have Arabian Sea, on the east side we have Bay of Bengal. Okay, on the south side we have Indian Ocean, and in the western side, in the Arabian Sea, we have Lakshadweep Islands, and in the Bay of Bengal we have Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India is 82.30 degree east, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. So, what they are saying is time lag. See here, observe here. This is the Arunachal Pradesh area. Here, so this is the Gujarat area. So, when the sun rises here in the Arunachal Pradesh, for example at 5 a.m. Okay, 5 a.m. Here it will be 7 a.m. Okay, so the time lag will be 2 hours. So But this time lag, we should not have any time lag within our country. So what they have taken is, they have taken the middle line, okay, for standard meridian. See here, they have taken the standard meridian, where suppose if this is according to standard meridian, if there is 6 o'clock here, the same 6 o'clock it will be here in Gujarat. In order to have the same timing throughout the country, okay, they have chosen the central point in the country as the standard meridian. So that we may have the same time both in Arunachal Pradesh and in Gujarat. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of the day and night. So this latitudinal extent influences duration of day and night. For example, in some places the day may be long, in some places the night may be long. So this latitudinal extents influences this day and night. That is the duration of the day and night periods. India and the world. The Indian landmass has a central location between East and West Asia. India is a southward extension of Asian continent. Okay, so naturally see here. So India is between the east. Okay, so in the right side of India we have the part of Asia, and in the left side of India, okay, we have part of Asia, and India is in the middle. Okay, that is in the middle, but in the south direction. That's what they are saying. The trans-Indian Ocean routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and countries of East Asia provide a strategic location to India. Note the Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe. Okay, what they are saying is this India is located in a very strategic location. Since the opening of Suez Canal in 1869, India's distance from Europe has been reduced to 7,000 kilometers. See here, we will take this map. So India is here. So from India, when we have to go to Europe, it will take a long time. Actually, for example, say in this map, okay. So from here, Bombay, when we have to go to Europe, previously we were going like this. Previously we were going like this to Europe or England. So with the Suez Canal that was built here, okay, Suez Canal was built here, the distance got reduced and we went to Europe very quickly, and the distance was reduced by 7,000 kilometers. That's what they are saying. And due to this location between China and the Western nations and the Arabian nations, it is strategically located in the Asian continent. India's contacts with the world have continued through the ages, but relationship through the land routes was much older. So all these sea routes, see here, all these dotted lines are sea routes. These sea routes was developed much later, but the land routes from India to Pakistan to Iran, Turkey, Iraq, Syria, etc., it was long before established, and we had lot of exchanges, people going from here to there and there to here. So there was lot of exchanges of various forms, like the ideas of Upanishads and Ramayana and the stories of Panchatantra, okay, and the Indian numerals and the decimal system could reach many parts of the world through land routes, okay. So all these have spread, Ramayana and all that have spread to many parts of the world. Similarly, the spices, muslin and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries, okay. So not only that, Ramayana and other things were taken, the spices, muslin and other merchandise products also were taken from India. Similarly, what we got was the influence of Greek sculpture, the architectural styles and of domes of West Asia. So when the Arabs and Mughals ruled us, so we got influence, and we got the sculpture and the architectural style of their buildings. Indian neighbors. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. India has 28 states and 7 union territories. India shares land boundaries with Pakistan 1, Afghanistan 2, China 3, okay, Nepal 4, Bhutan 5, Myanmar 6, Bangladesh 7. So remember these 7 countries India shares border. If they ask how many countries India shares borders with, you have to write it as 7. Not only that, they will give some European countries also, and they will try to give choose the correct answer, and you have to choose the right answer. Now, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by Palk Strait. So here India is separated from Sri Lanka by a narrow strait called Palk Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. While Maldives Islands are situated to the south of Lakshadweep. See here, Lakshadweep is part of our country. Okay, the capital of Lakshadweep is Kavarati. Okay, so whereas Maldives is a separate country. Maldives is located to the south of Lakshadweep. India has a strong geopolitical, geographical and historical links with our neighbors. So here you will see the answers here. Choose the right answer from the four alternatives. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. So here the question is, it does not pass through, they have given. So we will see the map. So this is the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, there is the line. So first we will see in what all states with which it passes through. It passes through Gujarat, it passes through Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, it passes through Chhattisgarh, it passes through Jharkhand, it passes through West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. So what is the state in which it does not pass through? So it does not pass through Orissa. So the correct answer is Tropic of Cancer does not pass through Orissa. See here, Orissa is below the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, Orissa is below the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, the easternmost longitude of India is, which is the easternmost part? 97.25 degree east, which we have already seen. Okay, 97.25 degree east, which is the easternmost part. See, 97.25 degree east. Now, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim have common frontiers with. So when we say frontiers, it share what their meaning is, they share land border with which country they are asking. So Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, okay, Sikkim, they share land border with what? Nepal. Okay, see here, Nepal. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim have common frontiers with, see, West Bengal also. West Bengal also share common frontiers with Nepal. So see here, observe this. See, the West Bengal is partly okay. The borders of West Bengal is also connected to Nepal, but which is not very clearly seen, and also Sikkim. So you have to remember this. So you may get confused. So Uttar Pradesh is very clearly seen. Bihar is clearly seen, but not the West Bengal. So West Bengal is also border is also connected or linked in the to the Nepal border and Sikkim, West Bengal and Sikkim. So you should not get confused. So here the answer is Nepal. If you intend to visit Kavarati during which summer, okay, which one of the following union territories of India will you belong? So we already told the capital of Lakshadweep Islands. There are many islands in the Lakshadweep. Okay, Lakshadweep is a group of islands. The capital is Kavarati. Okay, the capital is Kavarati. My friend hails from a country which does not share land boundary with India. Identify the country. So Bhutan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Tajikistan. So we have already seen what are the countries which share land boundaries with India. Where Bhutan, Bangladesh, Nepal share. Tajikistan, see here. Bangladesh shares with India land boundary with India. Bhutan shares land boundary with India. Okay. Pakistan shares land boundary with India. Afghanistan shares in this area. Afghanistan shares land boundary with India. Only Tajikistan does not share land boundary with India. So, so the answer should be Tajikistan. Answer is Tajikistan. So the other things are just a theoretical question which you can just go through it. Okay, friends. So the next video we will see the physical features of India in the next video. Thank you, friends. We will meet in the next video. I thank all the subscribers who have subscribed for this channel, and I request the students who have not subscribed to subscribe for this channel, and also give your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you, friends. We will see you in the next video.